So I got this wig from Aliexpress. It says Aimu. This is their Instagram and Facebook. So supposedly this is an HD transparent lace wig. I got this from Aliexpress during like Black Friday sale. So everything that comes in the box is the hair, a wig cap, which I don't like these, and a little elastic band if needed. So the specs of this hair are it's HD lace, okay, 13 by 6 lace front wig. It's Yaki Straight, 12 inches, and 150% density, and I will link this below. So my first thought is this really HD lace? HD lace is supposed to be basically invisible and melts into your skin like flawlessly. So this is the lace here. Just by the feel of it and the look of it, I don't think I would consider this HD lace. It just looks like transparent lace. I feel like the lace is really thick for it to be HD, but I mean, I can't really say I've never owned an HD lace wig, but I do own a transparent lace wig, and to me this is what it's like similar to. But you know what, whatever. So this is the cap construction. There's a lot of parting space. It's not a full lace. There are one comb in the back, and then there's two things right there to adjust the size. Two combs on the side, one here, and then there's one right behind the lace. So I'm gonna try this on. I only got 12 inches because I don't like hair that is like super duper long. Okay, so as I put this on, it actually fits my head just like this. So I don't need to do all of the extras. I'm going to do some parting, and I have to use the viewfinder because I don't have a mirror right now. Very thick. This hair is very thick. And it's also supposed to be pre-plucked. So I have some crocodile clips. I got these just from the beauty supply store. I won't say. So this is the parting, and the fact that this lace is so transparent, it doesn't really match with my skin tone. So I'm going to have to put makeup on it. So this isn't what I thought it was going to be, and I'm not really surprised by it. I didn't expect it to be like HD lace, you know, like I am Alonzo Arnold. Like I wasn't expecting it to be on that level. But yeah. So yeah, I'm going to have to do some work with this to get it to look the way I want to, so I will provide an updated video on that. This is just like an initial unboxing video. So, you know, the wigs on AliExpress, they kind of use pictures from other places, and whatever picture they had on this had me think that the especially the front part would be plucked a lot more than it is. The hairline here is still extremely thick, like not realistic at all. I just thought it was going to be a little bit better, but at least I know how to tweak this, so I'll get it to look the way I want to eventually. I'm just, you know, not in the mood for this today. So I will come back with an updated video once this is looking right, and I will tell you guys if this wig is worth purchasing or not. But just from the initial impression, if you feel like you do have the patience to work with this, then I would recommend it. The hair is soft. It's more of a natural. It's not like that silky like Barbie looking hair. This has more of a natural texture to it. But of course the photos were misleading. So now I got a lot more than I bargained for. So yeah, that it's okay. But especially on Aliexpress, don't always believe what you see. And like I said, I had a feeling that this wasn't really going to be like that HD lace. This is, to me, regular lace. So, you know, it is what it is. I'll come back to you guys when I get this together. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.